Phoenix Typewriter here. Got a Royal Sabre tooth typewriter to work on. It came in for a couple problems. At least one, they said the keys were sticking, which don't seem to really be sticking. More likely it's the carriage not moving at all, because somebody cut this cable draw cable. It's got a clean cut here on the end. This is the part that goes into the mainspring. That's good. Circles around the mainspring, goes over here to the carriage end, and this has got a clean cut on this cable. When the cables break, they fray, like this cable from an IBM. They get frayed like that. And a little suspicious, but I've already looked at the mainspring here, made sure it was still good. I wound it up, made sure it was still working, so I think that's repairable, of course. And the machine looks actually pretty clean otherwise, but it's got a secondary problem which appeared right away when I tried to roll the paper in it. So I rolled the paper in, but the ratchet doesn't turn. So if you use the carriage turn, the paper doesn't feed. The ratchet's like it's in variable mode right now. Like it's stuck in variable mode. So it should turn this ratchet. It's not. It turns with the index, of course. It doesn't turn the roller. It's like this button is pushed in, but this button feels kind of funky on this. It doesn't want to spring back or do anything. It should have some type of action. So let's take it apart and investigate. I need to do this before I give this person a direct estimate. So we're just going to pull the Platen out on camera and see what happens. And I believe this has set screws. And the first one we're going to loosen is under the carriage, or under this cover over here. Move this over like that, and so you can get up to the knob there through here, and there should be a set screw. Yeah, there it is, right there. So let me get a screwdriver and take this off, and this knob should come off. Oh yeah, not even sticky, came right off. And see, and then that moves. The shaft moves. So there's something wrong here with. Let's see what happens here now. Yeah, it's still not engaged. So this pushes the piece in. It should, in default, it should be working now. So, all right. Well, let's take the screw out over here, or get the roller out. I think this one right here will start with that. Okay. Yeah, there's a shaft in here. It comes. So there's another screw for this knob, but you can pull the whole shaft out, and this should have a slot in the shaft. There we go. And Royals have a little key thing inside of here it meshes up to. So let's see if we can get this roll out. Let's push it all the way to that side, and we'll see if we can get this out of here. It wants to get caught between the eraser table and this card guy here, but there it comes. And we want to get this ratchet too. Alright, let's take a look here and see what's happening. So yeah, that should be, those teeth should be grabbing those teeth right inside of there. Which are kind of hard to see. I feel alright, you can feel them. Oh, these look alright. Oh, I see. This whole piece should be out. This piece Should be in these little arms. Let's see if we can pry it out of here. Well, I don't know. Well, there it goes. Oh, there's a spring in there. See right there? Oh, it just sticks right back in there. Oh, I think it's just sticky. Look at that. It wants to come out a little bit. Huh. Well, let's put some of my favorite chemical. Put some rag around this typewriter. I don't want any chemical action hitting over there, so let's put some degreaser like center right in that little shaft. Right there, right there, and right there. Oh, look at that. Now it comes out. So that's it. It's just sticky. Yeah. That's all there is to this. Nice. I was hoping it was something fixable. Sure enough, look at that. Okay, let me flush those just one more time here real quick. Make sure we get that old oil out of there. So it's definitely gumming up that let's put one drop on these shafts. Some red oil right here. One small drop, small drop, small drop. Running in here a little bit. Looks good. The excess. Another rag here to clean my mess up. Alright, let's stick this on. It should grab now. Oh yeah, see that? No, it's all one piece like that. That just wasn't springing back over. Nice. Well, that was pretty simple. Let's see about putting it back in the machine. Okay, so this collar's got to go. Ratchet's got to go on. That. And one trick with these, if the machine has it, the detent lever down here is a roller that engages that ratchet. Got to find the lever that releases it. There it is, right there. So it moves that detent roller out of the way, so the ratchet can go in properly. Oops. There we go, just like that. If they don't have a detent release, sometimes you got to manually do that. I'm going to put this collar in here first. It wants to fall off. Do it the way I took it out, and we'll put the roller in. Alright, that looks good. Oh, right in there. No problem. Sometimes these rollers get a little snug. Sometimes there's washers over here, but there was nothing on this one, so let's put this shaft back in. Like that, and then the thing with royals, you got to find that slot, and you've got to turn this until you find the right position. There it goes, right there. And then you got to manipulate the roller to make it go through the hole. Right there. Push it on through. Okay, so it's through. And it's turn. Okay, let's engage the ratchet. There it goes. Tighten up the screw over here since we took that off last. We'll tighten this one up. Okay. There it goes. Sounds good. Let's go ahead and put the other roller back in here. So there's also the set screw should line up with the opposite side of that slot on that shaft. So that slot is facing that way. That's where the screw is going to go, so we got to turn that slot like that. So the screw will be on the opposite side of that slot. And we'll put the screw in there. Generally facing that way. Like that. Nope. There it goes. And we'll flip it on its back and put the carriage over here like this. Be able to get to that last screw down in here somewhere. There it is, right there. It just fell out. I had it all the way out. There it is. End of my screwdriver. Let's get this back in there. Alright, now it works over here. Pretty slick. This typewriter looked alright. There's a little bit of like weird rust right on the bottom, like somehow it got wet. Might have been in a high humidity environment. So the carriage is still busted, but let's try the ratchet out here. Alright, and variable works. So variable push in works. Release works. Platen feed works. Alright, that was just a sticky part. I think that's how I saw that ratchet move. I think I'm going to leave it like that. Except there was a little bit of a gap over here, right there. Well, it looks pretty close. I think it's alright. I'll check it when I get a little further along with this project, but alright. Mission completed on the ratchet repair on one of these Royal. This is a Sabre, but they made a lot of different models that were the same typewriter. Bad lids, bad design on the lid, but that's what it looks like underneath the covers. It's a ribbon cover. Royal. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.